It is on Monday, boy.
Yeah. So this year, don't be the wicked witch of the west.
Why?
Because you're going to melt outside because
really?
the rain's going to be coming down. All the water on you. No, it is going to be a little wet at times. It looks really unsettled as we head into the weekend. But the good news is there will be these windows of dry opportunity in between. So if we can have luck on our side in just one way, maybe we can get some dry time during that precious trick-or-treat time period as we head towards Monday. But otherwise, it is looking pretty stormy out there. This is what it looks like at the coast. You know, it's dry here in the valley right now, but the rain is coming down in Astoria, and you can see quite a bit of cloud cover there too. So showers moving through there. Eventually, it's all going to move into the valley and into the metro area tonight. So it is going to be turning wetter out there. You still have a couple of hours for some dry time before it hits, though. 61 degrees in Vancouver. This is a view from our Riverview Community Bank camera, and you can see all the bright color out there. It certainly looks like those leaves are peaking today, that's for sure. 59 degrees as you head south down towards Monmouth and Dallas over in the South Valley there, and just a beautiful view. You can see the gray, you can see a little bit of that haze over the mountains. We're already starting to see some sprinkles come down. But things again are quiet in the valley. Coastal areas, there's that shower that just pushed through Astoria there. A couple of more stray showers may roll through from time to time, but the big wave of rain is going to hold off until later tonight. So here's how it plays out. This is our future radar, so watch this closely. Here we are at 5 o'clock, we're still good. 6 o'clock, we're still good. 7 o'clock, even then, this light green here, this is more cloud cover than anything else, just the moisture deepening. But by 9 o'clock, that rain settling in. And so between 9 and 9:30, it's going to start to turn wet around here. Light to occasionally moderate rain. Midnight, it continues to come down. We'll have waves of heavier rain, pockets of heavier rain coming down through the overnight hours. And tomorrow morning, heads up, that commute is going to be a wet one, and it's probably going to be a slow one, so you better go ahead and set the alarm clock a little extra early tomorrow morning. This is 4 a.m. and we can see widespread rain across most of the valley back towards the coast and the coast range too. So overnight tonight down to 54 degrees for a low. Rain again develops. It'll be heavy at times through tomorrow morning. Here's a wider view of what's happening, and this is a satellite picture, so it's just going to show you the cloud cover, but that's associated with the systems that will be moving in. And you can see the clouds have just been increasing and increasing, and then we look back down to our south and west, and here is the system down this way, and you can see it's sending that moisture up in our direction. So it's actually going to be a warm front that pushes through, so southerly winds kicking in. That keeps temperatures on the milder side, but it also means it's really, really wet. That moves through tonight and tomorrow. Meanwhile, the system I was showing you yesterday has been pulling away, but interestingly enough, as we go through the weekend and into the first part of the week, Halloween, this system is going to interact with another system. It's going to get absorbed, and it looks like it's going to do the loop-de-loop, come back down south and come back up towards us just in time for Monday. And so that could actually be where our rain comes from as we head towards the Halloween day. So your forecast for tomorrow, we'll be looking at rain in the morning, heavy at times, a wet start. We'll find a little bit of dry time here and there tomorrow afternoon, but still dealing with occasional showers. Highs in the low 60s. But again, most of the heavier stuff will be done with by the morning. This is tomorrow afternoon, and you can see the scattered showers continuing. It still looks wet for tomorrow night, and then we go into Thursday, and we start off with shower chances, and then Thursday afternoon, we'll have a mix of showers, maybe a few peaks of sunshine here and there. So I think we'll still find some dry time. It just stays pretty unsettled for us, and then again, it looks pretty stormy going into the weekend. Your forecast for the coast, a wet day, light breeze, low 60s. I-5, wet start, then a few scattered rain showers for the afternoon, upper 50s and low 60s. East of the Cascades, mostly cloudy and breezy, highs in the 60s. And then your forecast for the Cascades, snow levels go way up, 8,000 feet, but it'll be windy, gusting to 40, and then rain heavy at times for the gorge, especially in the morning. So stormy pattern persists, periods of rain through early week. Here's your 7-day forecast, so pretty wet day tomorrow. Thursday, wet at times with some dry time too. Friday looks great, mainly dry day. Saturday, dealing with some showers on and off. Sunday, on and off showers. Same thing for Monday. Highs will be in the 50s, lows in the 40s. So it's just kind of a stormy period. We have this big low pressure system that's sitting right just to our west and just keeps sending in these systems over and over to keep bringing us rain chances through early next week. Already almost the wettest October on record.
Yeah,
so
that's incredible.
Going.
Thanks, Kristen.
Still to come, an election.